I mean, earlier on, I mean, because the thing is, when you at that age, you really don't understand real politics, you know. Well, there's always certain councillors here and there. I mean, they talked about the Labour Party, this and, but eventually we did realise, you know, the Labour Party is the same on deportations and immigration bills, and you know, the Labour Party passed, and we started. I've never heard Bakhtaura's song. I think he's got that. Labour the Tory, dome pehna sakiyan karge deport san dome hasiyan. So there's the political itself that is both Labour Party and the Tories are the same.
Mm-hmm.
You get the campaign that we had is really good. We used to put there's a cinema, show cinema down Soho Road. It's closer, but they elected to us. They said you could have it free. So we used to be in there. We used to do our recordings inside. People used to write songs in Bakhtaura. Used to get the musicians in, and we done a lot of recordings. And we used to put big speakers out outside, so people walking past them. In the election campaign, we stood in the election as well by Bakhtaura. I was in the car putting the loudspeakers on and going, and the election, and all that. It's fun as well. You know? We were picketing and campaign, because everywhere that he had a court appearance or tribunal, we used to be there, you know, all the time. You know, 20, 30 people, 100 people, 50 people sometimes. I think they're putting pressure on them. I think eventually, okay, they're probably the Home Office. You know, they made it this. I think he got married as well or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then they let him stay and all that, but you know, they just thought, you know, we don't want these people probably saying, you know, protesting every weekend. I think they probably said, okay.